Now these are what you call beignets.
What's your dinner, te?
Latoya with pork.
Hello mga tita. So tonight, si ate nagaluto siya ng, what's that daw?
Beignets for desserts, and also I'm gonna make them into cinnamon donuts.
Nagaya niya lang ito, tita, dun sa movie na Princess and the Frog. Wala, latawa niya, tita. Perfect yung luto ni ate. Lutuan namin siya, si Lola, tsaka ito yung dinner ni Lola.
So, Tita, today for dessert, I'm making beignets, which come from the movie Princess and the Frog. You drizzle with honey and top it off with powdered sugar. But I'm gonna also turn them into cinnamon donuts. So this is what they look like. And here's my cinnamon sugar. I'm gonna plop them in. And put a lid on top.
Para to kay Lola, tita.
This is Nana's favorite
Dessert.
Oh, the sugar's not getting on there because this is
It's a bit old.
used. Yeah, because this is used. It needs to be new sugar.
That's alright. I need to check if it's nice. Yummy.
Hot the sugar and cinnamon. That's how you put the seasoning for cinnamon donuts.
Alright, next. Final na ito. Ay, nabatok agad na. So, dapat sinayan lang ito. Number 3 lang.
Okay.
Or kami quickly, pero nagyaw-yaw man ako kanina di pag umpisa niya kasi nga nabago lang ako naglinis-linis ng bahay. Nag-umpisa na naman siya ng yung do. Pero namit naman ko rin antos ko na lang. Baliktad quick. So how long did you rest your dough?
About an hour, or if you're going somewhere, I would definitely suggest 2 hours because I have to rest the dough so they can be better. Okay. My plate, please, plate.
Ayun na nga naman eh. Wala! So, ito naman yung dinner ni Lola, tita. Tapos, nagtimpla lang ako dito ng honey, tapos lemon, oyster sauce, tapos dark soy sauce. Ito yung ipapahid natin dito ngayon. Medyo naluto na yung sa front niya, and then baliktarin na naman natin. Tapos, lagyan natin ng kanyang sauce dyan. Salong ulit.
When you're shaking it, have a little fun.
Sobrahan na. See? Oh, uy, ang sabaw. Perfect na. Isa pa mo.
This is the last cinnamon that I'm coating, and then we're gonna move it on to these beignets for being coated with honey and powdered sugar on top. So
I just like it cinnamon daw.
Nana,
Cinnamon na.
Nana likes it like that.
What do you think, Ashley? Sugid sa tuod eh. What do you think? Ano na?
Super delicious.
Very good ah.
Right, sugar.
Okay. Ready na din yung ating broccoli, tsaka yung cauliflower. Check. Oh. Luto na to, Dad. Look.
Looks alright. Looks good.
And then one day, dito, and then ito yung pagkain ni Lola. Dali atang imong nga dessert eh. Try. Ate. Yeah.
Delicious stuff.
Double check. Ay.
I don't need to double check. It's delicious.
Is it?
Yeah, it's delicious.
I'll
Mum
try.
will love it. Mum will love it. It's delicious. Yeah.
Yum.
So yum. So yum.
No. The crunchy bit's mine.
Ah.
Is that enough for thing?
Oh, she'll love that. She'll eat all that. Just give it all love. Well, just leave enough for yourself.
What about this?
You're just using that for yourself, aren't you? No, that'll be enough. That'll be.
You think?
Yeah, that'll be fine.
I'll put the sauce in there, huh?
Okay.
So it's gonna saucy. Yummy.
That'll do.
Dali. I'll put some sauce. Ang kanyang sauce.
Thank you, Manu.
Master Chef.
That's the chef, yes.
Okay, Chef.
No,
Dali ah.
put the
Two
honey
each.
ones in there.
Now these are what you
That's enough na. Tapos na po ang cooking show. So, naiwan lang dyan ang mga harina, mga kalamay, cinnamon. Nagsama mo siya kay daddy niya. So, hindi ko yan galawin. Oy, bakit ko man yan gagalawin? Hindi mo na ako nagluto-luto niyan. Kasi being responsible ang turo ni dad na kung magtandog-tandog dito sa kusina, dapat linisin din ang mga kalat mo. Okay, so nagpilit di siya nga magluto mo. Pero masarap man, tita. Okay na yan. Tapos na ko nagluto ka, Lula. May pagkain naman kami, may sitaw naman kami. So, mag-vlog na ko. Okay, bye-bye. What's your dinner, te?
Latoy with pork.
What's your dinner, da? Latoy?
Latoy pork.
Latoy po. Kain na tayo, tita. So, magkain din ako. Latoy na naman ang dinner namin. Hinay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks so